Now I gotta send out this wig down here. I pray that this hair store is still open up here because they be closing early sometimes. They be playing games. We shall see. I can't even see. Alright, let me show y'all the style I want to do. The hair store closed at 8. It's 7:36, but I'm almost here. So let's see. EJ. I'm doing a prayer board. I needed some inspo. Oh, her. I'm going to do these 2 braids right here. And hers was really long. And actually, her braid was like a pretty thick size. So we need to go in here and find some long braiding hair. Yay, they're still open. Hi. Let's see. Need to go straight to the back. I need long. Okay, maybe something like this, but this ain't thick enough. Is this going to be thick enough? 72 inches. I need something like this. Like, this is real thick, but I need it long. 26 inches more. Or this expression. 3 times bondo hair, but it's 60 inches. Okay, here's the dilemma. This one is $8.59. This one is $5.99. This one is thicker, so I will get that thickness. So maybe I'm just do this one instead of that. Yeah, let's just do this one. Okay, so I washed my hair. God damn, this chair is squeaky. So I washed and conditioned my hair and then put it into these little plaits. And now I'm ready to just go through and hot comb my hair to straighten it. Before I do that, let me show you the products and the hair that I'm using. As you've seen, we took a little stroll to the hair store last night and decided on this hair here. It is 60 inches. I'm going to use this full pack, split it into 2 sections, and then just feed it in all the way down the entire braid. I will be using this heat protectant on my hair. I will be using this Black Murray's Beezwax. And then, of course, follow up with the Got To Be glue spray to make it hold. So right now, I'm just going to go through and hot comb my hair. Feels good. I hate that I didn't use this heat protectant when I was braiding my hair. Like, but originally I was going to do some soft locks. So be on the lookout for that. But then I seen this style on TikTok, so I was like, let me get this one done first. That's good enough. Come on here, don't be tripping on me. Okay. Alright, so one of the bundles I'm going to split in half so we can use the entire pack. Do that feel even? Yeah, a little bit. Now? Yeah. Now I'll just pull out small sections about this size so that I can add throughout the braid. I might get a little thicker towards the bottom, but why does hair want to be stupid? Alright, so I split my hair up. I probably have about, let's see, I have a lot. Yeah. Alright, starting with my beeswax, apply that, braid it, and then spritz it. I'm not going to talk during the process because I just need to focus because I want it really neat and crispy and just like that girl. So fingers are cramping. Okay. Last piece I'm adding in. Okay, I'm happy. It's looking good. Nice and thick. Now just spritz this bad boy. Okay, one down, one more to go. Okay. I just want them to look the same. Wow. Okay. Let's go for it. Dang, over here I feed in the hair a different way. Okay, Target, just do it. Struggle in silence. No, what is happening? No, 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 no. Okay, I made it. Nigga, we made it. Last piece. Okay, cool. Okay, all done. I'm super excited about them. For the most part, they're nice and neat. Cute little 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, so overall I just used this one pack of braiding hair here. The style took me about 2.5 hours start to finish, from me straightening my hair to me finishing off the last braid. I used the Murray's Beezwax plus got to be glued free spray. And I feel like with proper care and me wrapping my hair up at night, that this style could last me a good 3-4 days. Okay guys, so I want to give you a quick update on my hair. I am ready to take it out, but not at this very moment because I have somewhere to go tomorrow. But I am ready to finish and post this video. So it's been 3 days since I did these braids. They still look really good. The only thing is like I'm starting to get some pieces of hair to come out from the bottom. But as far as the actual braid, they look really good. See, they look really pretty to the side. Both back. Both forward. And even into a bun. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look and if you will give it a try. Yeah.